And this is example 18, page 272 of exercise 7.06 for loan calculations. In the last couple, we've been using Q for the loan repayments and B for the balance. This time we're going to go back to the spreadsheet and I'll explain why. So Ariana took out a loan for $20,000 at 8.2% per annum, compounding monthly. How long will she take to pay off the loan? So this time we don't have time again, and logs are not going to solve our problem. So this time the only way to do it is recurring equations or calculations, and we're going to do those in a spreadsheet. So how long will she take to pay off the loan with monthly repayments of $500? So we do need to use our recurring statement, our recurrence relationship. And we know, here's our friend, so R is equal to 1 plus the I over 100 times, how many times is she repaying it? 12 monthly, yeah? Compounding monthly. And R is 8.2, so I'll just change that to 8.2. And that gives me, when I put it in my calculator, sorry, I've got the tablet upright today and my writing is a little bit wobblier, but it does mean it's easier when I click over to the spreadsheet. In here, they've not actually calculated that, so I don't have my trusty calculator with me. I'm going to leave it alone like this, just like the book. Okay, so bear with me. Oops, I undid the wrong thing. I wanted to undo that, scribble it out. R, of course, our repayment, this capital R, is equal to $500 from the question. It tells us that. And N is the number of repayments, but we don't know. All right, so let's go across to a spreadsheet and put in what we do know and solve this. So let's go to a spreadsheet. Okay, so in the spreadsheet, I'm going to write in my top N, I'm going to have my start value of each month. Oops, click across. My start value and my end value. And actually I can make the, I was worried about that formula, but I can make the calculator do, the spreadsheet do the hard work. Why are you not stretching? Okay, because I've put them both in the one. Dear me. End value. Alright, so we don't know how many ends, but we can just start it. We'll start a run and copy some down. These are months, so, and she's borrowing 20,000, so who knows how long it will take. Let's go down this far to start with, about 100. We'll come up to the top. So the N is the number of months. The start value is 20,000. And we know that at the end of the month, it would be equal to, the R value. So the 1 plus, okay, 1 plus, I'm going to do a little bit of the math in my head. So the interest rate at 8.2%, so 8.2% divided by 100 times 12. Now this is, sorry, I don't mean to confuse you, but that's what I would have done on my calculator. So you can just bring over a value times the value, which is 20,000, and then subtract the repayment, and the repayment is 500. So this has gone back to what we were doing before, and it doesn't like it because we found a typo. Oh, where did they? And it's come up at 300. 1 plus times that. All right, let's see if I need another set of brackets here. And take out the brackets here. All right, nothing like problem solving on the way. Yes, that sounds like a much more reasonable answer without an error. 20,000 minus 19,000 gives me $19,633 after 1 month. All right, so the beginning of the next month is equal to that cell. And now I'm good to pull down. So let's go down, down, down and see when it is that she finishes. Just pull down some, and what I'm looking for is how long it will take her to pay it off. So we're looking for her to be coming down. It won't go to zero neatly. Okay, not yet. I'm at $5,688 here in the 35th month. So pull down a little bit further. Okay, oh, it had pulled down. Duh, I need to pull the other column down. Okay. All right, so here we are. Look here. She owes $933 at the end of the month. She owes $439. She's paying $500 off. So it's in this 47th month. In the 47th month, 47 lots of repayments, that the loan would be done. So I'll just highlight that. There's my answer line. So you would write a lovely statement that says, in the 47th month, after the 47th repayment, the loan would be cleared.